Welcome to my channel. Please be sure to click the like button and subscribe so you can see more of my videos in the future. Thank you. Introducing my meal plan for November. I like to use Google Calendar so that I can easily change the dates on my meals if I need to. You know, life happens and sometimes your meal plans change, or you're just not hungry for that, or you don't have enough time to make it. Also, I can color code everything. Using week 1 for November as an example, you can see here that I have pink for fish, lavender for pork, orange for Mexican food, yellow for chicken, green for turkey or other types of meals, purple for pizza because we love pizza, and the gray for beef. Now below these you see a navy blue color, and that is for my desserts. Let me go over this meal plan with you for the first week of November. Today, Monday, October 31st, we are going to have pork steaks, acorn squash, a lettuce salad with bread and butter. Tuesday, November 1st, we are going to have crispy beef tacos. Wednesday, November 2nd, we are going to have fried chicken, a baked potato, and a lettuce salad. Thursday, November 3rd, we will be having turkey stir-fried rice with roasted butternut squash cubes. Friday, November 4th, I have a recipe that my family really enjoys. It's by Rachel Ray. It's for a Spanish pizza with olives and tomatoes on top. Saturday, November the 5th, I am going to marinate some chuck steaks, and we'll either grill those inside or out. I'm going to make a homemade macaroni and cheese, either in the crock pot or in the oven, and we will have a lettuce salad. For desserts this week, today, Monday, October 31st, I'm going to make a fruit salad fluff. Tomorrow, Tuesday, November the 1st, I'm going to make my crock pot cinnamon apples. Thursday, November 3rd, I'm going to make cinnamon donut mini muffins. And Saturday, November the 5th, I'm going to make a fudge pie. And here's the meal plan for the second week of November. On Sunday the 6th, we will have salmon patties, rice pilaf, and acorn squash. On Monday, November the 7th, we will have smoked sausage, mashed potatoes, sauerkraut, and green beans. For Tuesday, November 8th, we will have fully loaded nachos. On Wednesday, November the 9th, we will have sheet pan dinner, supper, however you want to call it. That will be baked chicken leg quarters, squash cubes, and broccoli. And you just put that on a cookie sheet and throw it in the oven. On Thursday, November the 10th, we will have crock pot Italian pasta bake, Texas garlic toast, and a lettuce salad. Friday, November the 11th, we are going to make a homemade meat lovers pizza. And on Saturday, November the 12th, we will have chicken fried steak, biscuits and gravy, and scrambled eggs. That's right, a good old-fashioned Southern Texas breakfast for dinner. And here are the desserts for the second week of November. On Monday the 7th, I'm going to make apple dumplings. On Wednesday, November the 9th, I'm going to make chocolate crinkle cookies. And on the 11th, Friday, I will make a cherry streusel pizza. For the third week of November, on Sunday the 13th, I'm going to make a tuna noodle helper and open a jar of my canned carrots. Monday the 14th, I'm going to make a sausage gravy tater tot casserole. On Tuesday the 15th, I am going to put a pork butt into the crock pot and make my pork carnitas and serve that up on tortillas. On Wednesday, November the 16th, we will make barbecue chicken leg quarters, either inside or out on the grill. Serve that with a baked potato and my crock pot creamed style corn. Thursday, the 17th, I am going to open a jar of my canned Cajun turkey and make some red beans and rice. Friday, November 18th, we will make a homemade chicken bacon Alfredo pizza. Saturday, November 19th, I'm going to make my crock pot hamburger vegetable soup and serve that with bread and butter. For desserts on this week, on Sunday the 13th, I will make my pistachio pudding fluff. On Tuesday the 15th, a tres leches cake. On Thursday the 17th, pumpkin spice monkey bread. And on Saturday the 19th, cinnamon oatmeal raisin cookies. For this 4th week of November, on Sunday the 20th, I'm going to make tuna croquettes, au gratin potatoes, and open a can of cream-style corn. On Monday the 21st, I'm going to make crock-pot sweet and sour chicken with white rice. Tuesday the 22nd, I'm going to open one of my quart-sized jars of homemade taco soup, and I'm going to make homemade flatbread for the first time. Wednesday the 23rd, we are going to open a pint of pork and make some pork salad sandwiches and serve that with some potato chips. I like to keep it simple the week of Thanksgiving because I'll have a lot of cooking to do. Thursday, happy Thanksgiving to y'all. Enjoy your turkey day. And on Friday, of course, we'll be having leftovers. I usually freeze or can whatever is left over the weekend so that we don't get tired of eating turkey. So Saturday, November the 26th, I'm going to make a homemade Mexican pizza and spice things up a bit. And with Thanksgiving being this week, I will only be making one dessert on Monday the 21st, which will be no-bake mini cheesecakes, again keeping it simple. So that on Thursday, Turkey Day, the 24th, I will make my pumpkin pie and my pecan cobbler. And for the last week of November, leading into December, on Sunday, November 27th, I am going to make grilled teriyaki chicken with rice and vegetables. On Monday, the 28th, I'm going to make spaghetti and meat sauce with garlic bread and a lettuce salad. On Tuesday, the 29th, I'm going to take some of that leftovers carnitas meat that I've either frozen or canned and make nachos with that. On Wednesday, the 30th, I am going to make hamburgers and home fries with caramelized onions. On Thursday, December the 1st, I'm going to make my hot dog, macaroni and cheese casserole with some vegetables on the side. On Friday, December the 2nd, we will make a homemade barbecue pizza with cheddar cheese. On Saturday, December the 3rd, I'm going to make my chicken pot pie with a cornbread crust. And the final week of desserts for November leading into December. On Monday the 28th, I'm going to make a carrot cake. It's one of my husband's favorites. On Wednesday the 30th, I'm going to make a new dessert to me called strawberry brownies. And on Friday, December the 2nd, I'm going to make some lime jello with pears. And there you have it, my meal plan for the month of November 2022. I hope that this helps you out with some meal ideas and that I've been able to show you how to meal plan and that color coding can be your friend. I can look through each week and see that I haven't served the same type of meal, whether it be Mexican or Italian or chicken in the same week. It really breaks up the monotony of accidentally serving the same meat twice in the same week. And I can space them out, move them around. I just really have enjoyed using the Google Calendar to create my meal plan. And I hope that it helps you too. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe.